Welcome guys. Today I am going to explain how to fill SPPU post graduation entrance exam application. So let's get started. First, open your browser and enter the required link. I am giving this link in the description box. Go and check out. You will see the login box on your screen. But first you have to register. So at left side you will get the option for register. Click on it. Enter your email ID and then verify it. Again, they'll ask to verify mobile number as well. Then you will get add password option. Add your password and register yourself. Then come to the login page. Enter your user ID and then password. Then enter given CAPTCHA and press login button. You will get dashboard on your screen. Here click on profile option and then personal information. You will get to add personal information required. Add all your personal information and click on save and proceed button. You will get one dialog box. Check your entered information and click on OK button. Then your information will get saved successfully. Click on OK. Then you will get a new window to add academics. Add your academics information for SSC, HSC and graduate level. You need to add passing month, passing year, marks obtained, marks out of and then percentage. No need to add PRN or registration number. Above you can see your entered academic information. If you have to change anything, you can remove and fill again. Same for HSC. Now for graduate degree, if you are in final year, that is in last semester of your degree and have not given exam yet, click on appeared option. And if you had given final examination, that is last semester exam of your degree and had got the result, then click on passed option and fill your marks and other information needed. If you have any experience, enter it and then click on next. On next window, you will get upload document button. Click on it. Choose your document type. Choose file from your storage. And submit it. You will get dialog box says record saved successfully. Here, your photo and signature should be in the form of JPG, JPEG or PNG, and all other documents should be in PDF form, not more than 1 MB. Here, signature and photo is essential for further process. You should upload both and other documents as you have. When you successfully add your documents, click on Next button. Select your faculty. I am choosing Science and Technology, and then post graduation. After that, choose your course level. Then you will get the list of all departments. Choose your departments by clicking on View and Apply button. You will see a dialog box. Check your information and apply. You will get new window showing all of your information you entered before. At last, you need to choose machine availability, internet connectivity, and choose your internet bandwidth. Choose appropriately and click on Read Declaration and Apply for Course option. Read the declaration and click on Agree Declaration and Apply for Course button. Please confirm all the details before you click on Agree Declaration and Apply for Course. After that, you cannot be able to edit your application form. Then click on OK button. Now on dashboard, you will get your form. Check your application ID. Application for status is applied now. To print receipt or to do payment, Click on the option, go to the page, enter your information and proceed to apply. Fill your payment information and pay your fees. After that, take the print for receipt and take the print of your form. That's it. Now, anytime you can go and check your application. Thank you for watching.